This is lesson 14, a cool down called A Book and a Cake. I think this is my 7th attempt at recording this video, so let's hope it goes well. You can write different expressions, calculate percent increase and decrease. Suppose a new phone costs $360, is on sale at 25% off the regular price. One way to calculate this is to first find 25% of $360, which is $90, and then subtract $90 from $360 to get a sale price of $270. These calculations can be recorded in this way. This is, by the way, is how you find 25% of $360, in case you weren't sure. You take the decimal equivalent of the percent and you multiply. Now, another way to represent this calculation is to notice that subtracting 25% of the cost is equivalent to finding 75% of the cost. If the price is 25% off, you're still paying 75%. Using the distributive property, we know that, blah, blah. This is how you find 75% of 360. Now, in the case of something like sales tax is a certain percentage added to the value of something. So, let's say, like we have here in the state of California, we have a sales tax of around 7%, I think. I think it's like 7.75%. I guess it's closer to 8%. Let's just go with 8%. Let's say you have a sale price of $270, but then you still have to pay sales tax. And that's 7% in addition to the price that you're paying. So we could find that in two ways. We could do 270 plus 0.07 times 270. That's one way to do it. That would give us 7% of 270, and we would add that. Now, a better way to think of this is 7% more than full price is 107%. So we could just directly find 107% of 270 just by multiplying. I don't know what that is, but that's how you do it. Let's take a look at the cooldown. A book costs $45. Sales tax on the book is 7%. Write two different expressions that represent the final cost of the book in dollars. One of the expressions should only use a single multiplication and no other operations. Two expressions. I want one that looks like this, and I want one that looks like that. For 7% more than the price. A cake that costs 32% is on sale for 15% off, and there are no taxes. Explain why the expression 0.85 times 32 represents the final price of the cake in dollars. Well, if it's 15% off, what percent are you still paying? And how do you write that mathematically? Explain that. Let me know if you have any questions.